Yo, what's up everyone? Hope you're having a wonderful day. So in today's video, I'll show you guys how to get a verified green tick on your PixelVerse. As you can see on my account, I have this very nice looking green tick on my account. I just figured out how to do this like a few minutes ago, and I decided to share with you guys, my very wonderful subscribers. And if you're watching this video up to this point, go ahead and just, subscribe. But it really helps the channel, okay? And all I want to just tell you right now is that you only need to just carry out one step to be able to get your account up to this level here, guys. All right, so I'm actually going to just tell you that if you want to do this, the only thing you need to do is to go into your account under here that says fights, and then you have to click on it, and you have to upgrade your bot. Use your robot here, upgrade it, and make sure you are using very high level robot to engage in a fight. In my case, I have level 31. That is what I use to be able to get through mine. And when you are using your best robot, just engage in a fight. Okay, go ahead and just pick a random fight. Click on random fight and engage in a fight. Go back to your under the aim tab. Then you click just on your profile picture here. Click on it. When you click on it, your dashboard is going to load up here, like the dashboard here. And as you can see right now, I have won 5 different fights. I've engaged in 9, okay, and I have 5 bots. So this is the statistics of my account. So once you've gotten up to 5 wins, I assure you this would be open for you. Go and do this now, guys, and check it out. Verify your account. Let's see what it's going to look like. It should look great, This might be a very good qualifier. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.